In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the key differences between Looker Studio and Excel for data analysis. We'll dive into their strengths and weaknesses, helping you decide which tool might be the best fit for your projects. Let's get started. When it comes to data sources and connectivity, Looker Studio shines with strong integration, especially if you're immersed in the Google ecosystem. It works seamlessly with Google Analytics, Ads, BigQuery, and Google Sheets. If you need to pull data from non-Google sources, that is also possible with the use of specific connectors. On the other hand, Excel offers great flexibility for handling a range of local data sources. You can work with Excel files, CSVs, and even databases if you're willing to use add-ons. It's ideal for small or localized datasets. Now, how do these tools handle large or live data? Looker Studio is tailored for creating dashboards and reports that require frequent updates. It performs well with real-time data, but might face challenges if you're working with exceptionally large datasets or a multitude of blended sources. In contrast, Excel isn't quite built for real-time data handling, and can suffer from slow performance or even crashes with very large datasets. Plus, it requires manual refreshing, not to mention its limitations in terms of rows, columns, and even the hardware you're using. Looking at data transformation and modeling, Looker Studio offers basic transformations and calculated fields, but it's not as robust in deep modeling or handling complex calculations. Excel, however, is a powerhouse in this domain. With features like pivot tables, Power Query, various formulas, macros, and advanced functions, Excel allows for in-depth data cleaning, shaping, and custom modeling that can cater to complex analytical needs. Visualization and reporting are another critical aspect. Looker Studio excels at creating interactive dashboards, allowing filters and shared reports, making it easy to share insights instantly via links or embedding. It is geared towards crafting visual summaries and tracking KPIs. While Excel offers excellent control over chart formatting and custom layouts, it's more suited for printable reports. Its charts are inherently static unless combined with other tools, lacking the built-in interactivity of Looker Studio. Touching on collaboration and sharing, Looker Studio is cloud-based, which inherently supports a more collaborative environment. Multiple users can view and edit dashboards simultaneously if permissions allow, which helps maintain version consistency. In contrast, Excel typically requires manual sharing of files, making version control trickier, although real-time collaboration is possible if using Microsoft 365. Cost and accessibility also play a role in your decision. Looker Studio offers a free version and integrates naturally if you're already using Google's suite of tools, though some pro features may come at an additional cost. Excel is broadly available and is familiar to many users, though licensing can be costly, and advanced capabilities may necessitate higher-end versions or add-ons. Finally, when it comes to advanced analysis, Looker Studio is less suited for statistical modeling, forecasting, or predictive analytics compared to Excel, which supports complex formulas, scenario analysis, regressions, and custom scripting through macros, offering more depth for deep analytical work. Consider these factors carefully, and you'll be well equipped to choose the right tool for your data analysis endeavors.